I know that I'm different when I'm smoking, when I'm high, baby. I just fall asleep. Missing all these drugs inside my cup, I'm getting high. Every day I'm starting to tweak. I fight my depression with these piffs and these hoes. It's the only thing I need. I just closed the door to my heart, cause these demons out here trying to look for me. I'm missing my cup every day, I'm starting to tweak. Organize my hunt.
So, got my car pretty much prepped pretty well. All I did was put some air in my front tires. That was a little low. And then I kind of didn't really, I don't know if I couldn't tell if there was coolant in there, if there actually wasn't coolant. The car wasn't overheating, but I think just in my expansion tank. I'm gonna roll with it, take some water just in case that I need to put it in there. But yeah, we're gonna go head to the track. When I did my bull check, everything looked fine. Drove the car a little bit this morning and it was driving good. So yeah, hopefully it's a good day. The layout should be pretty good. I got my homie coming with me. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun to see him experience drifting for the first time. What up? What up?
What's up, bro?
Nice shirt.
Thanks, man.
Oh yeah.
Big drip.
What you flaming? Yeah.
I'm ready to
Yo, see if this helmet will fit you. If it doesn't fit, you probably just have to wear mine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, if you let your hair down, it'll fit perfect.
Big homie status. It fits perfect right now.
Alright, but. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Just made it out here. 2 hours later, and we already passed tech. So I'm about to go throw on the GoPro, and we're gonna go do some laps.
Beyond excited.
Beyond excited.
Had a couple bumps along the road, but hey, we here.
Oh yeah, yeah. A couple of bumps along the road. My tire, for some reason, it was rubbing, but it's self-cleared. I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of like burnt this little edge of it, but self-cleared for sure. There's a little chunk of it.
We leaving the club on the outside. So we gonna get this where you can get hot. Get your ass back in that house. We got this in our ass. My crib.
Imagine like getting your license and you already know how to drift. You can pull up to your fucking, you pull up to your driver's test with that thing. That'd be crazy. Slime ball. This is by far the most fun layout they've had here. I still haven't like gotten the track perfectly, but it like flows really well. I don't know who told them to do this layout, but they need to do it every time. What you think, Daniel?
I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it.
Loving it. And we're gonna go get some snacks, some food, some grub, and then hop back out there.
I can't jump out any bitch, no barking. Gotta make sure she worth. Not everything we do for certain. I take risks, pop 30s. Run it up quick like I'm in a hurry. Both of my wrists men flare. Sunday morning still trapping this early. All of
Say that, say that.
Don't drop it out the window.
My boy Brandon about to turn up right now. Butter. My son. Yo, that was your best run by far. Bro.
Yeah, I wheeled on that one.
That shit was crazy.
Yeah, that one felt good. I don't know why it feels better with you in the car.
I'm your hype man, bro. I gotta hype you up.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? You gotta turn up. With no music.
No music.
Just tires, boy. Just tires.
Just tires. Yeah. All right, we're gonna take a little break. We'll be right back.
Turn up.
Cool down for a second.
Hey, bro, I'm not playing today, man. I'll tell you, man. That shit was scary. That shit was scary. That was 5, bro. You caught that third turn so 5, bro. You were like right on the edge.
Yeah.
That was sick.
I thought I was about to hit it.
Alright, but not you.
You ready?
I turn on.
Bitch, new bargain. Gotta make sure she worth. Not everything we do for certain. I take risks, pop 30s. Run it up quick like I'm in a hurry. Both of my wrists made fire. Sunday morning, still trapping this early. All of my money be dirty. I put that bitch in a coupe. Back then she was whipping Suburban. I put some lean in my juice. It's not water, I sip when I'm thirsty.